I am in quarantine.
No. It's not true. That's impossible.
Yeah, I know.
No!
That's life. No. No, no, no. That's almost over.
Alright, my closure. Let's unbox this amazing lens, but you know, it's from China, so let's take some precautions. The first lens that I bought, amazing lens, a true anamorphic lens. So that's not an adapter or whatever, or anamorphic lens. That's a real anamorphic, cheap, affordable lens. I support the Sirui Indiegogo campaign. It was cheaper, so you can find it online. Very proud to support this campaign. Amazing quality. For me, that's perfect. Thank you. I can't thank Sirui enough. An amazing lens for cinematic shots, so music videos or short films, that's perfect. 50mm, 1.8 aperture, so that's beautiful. I used to shoot with 2.8 or more, so that was a little bit hard in the low light. 1.8 changed everything, and that's more light. So the only issue I have, it's not the 85 centimeters, 2.8 feet of minimum focus, because it's very long. That's what she not said to me, but jokes aside, that's very long. But you can put diopters or close-up rings, because I saw this video, so yeah. And you can put it in front and you can reduce the minimum focus, so amazing. I received this lens a few days ago and I already filmed a short movie with it, with the close-up rings that I will make another video. And I don't live in a big house, you know, it's a very small apartment, so yeah, you can put different close-ups rings and shoot with it, no problem. Alright, that's not the minimum focus the issue. For me, that's the focus ring. It's made like a photo lens, but it's an anamorphic lens. It's made for video, so why don't put a focus ring like in the cinema lenses? That's the only thing I don't understand, because everything is great, is good, is beautiful, amazing quality, small, compact, and X mount. You can find it Sony E mount and a Micro Four Third mount with the Fuji X-T3. That's just beautiful, amazing. That's the best combo for me. So yeah, that's the one.
He is the one.
With the Fuji X-T3, it's a little bit front heavy, but not a big deal. For image quality, for me, that's the best combo. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and especially in these times, don't forget to enjoy.